Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be going over the settings for the mobile web app. So similar to the way I did it in the last video, I'm not going to actually create one from scratch. I'm going to use the same existing pizzeria promotion that I had created in the last video, but this time I'm just going to show you guys the mobile web app side of it. Now this is just going to make it a little bit easier because you guys can visually see how the settings correspond to the application. So what I'm going to do is just go right to the link. Now, normally someone would be going to this smart link by either clicking on a Facebook post, something in Twitter, or in an email they received. This time I'm just going to go directly to the website. So it takes me here to the mobile web app. So over here you'll see that I'm in the mobile tab. I'm on the logo side. Logo is the first step. This logo appears over here, and this will appear all the way through. So it's only going to be one logo. It's very important that you keep it 64 pixels by 64 pixels or within that ratio. If not, your image will be distorted. So I've already done it, so I'm going to move on to the next step. So you'll notice here that I'm already at the info page. I'm on the info tab here. So let's go take a look at the settings for the info tab. Alright, so here I have my title, which corresponds up here. Receive a few pizza. I have a subtitle. Now the title and the subtitle can be changed on all three of the tabs. Here I have an image. Now this image, 800 by 450, again, very important that you keep those dimensions or it will be distorted. Alright, underneath here I have a little description, which is indicated over here. And this is just basically explaining what the promotion is so that people know why they need to go to the next step. Alright, so I'm going to go to the next step on my mobile device by clicking the next button. Alright, now on this page here you'll see once again I have the title and the subtitle. I also have another image here, different from the last one, this time telling them what to do. Fill out the form below. And if I scroll down here you'll see that I also have an opt-in form, and I also have official rules, which I could click on, and then I press back to get out of there. Alright, so let's go check out the settings for this page over here. So this is going to be over here on the Enter tab. Alright, so once again I got a title. This time I decided to keep the same title, but you could change this on every tab. My subtitle is different now. I've uploaded my image, which is telling them what to do, and the image is also telling them what they're going to get. Now for the opt-in form below, you're already going to have set up these settings when you set up the opt-in form for your Facebook app. So it's going to be the same autoresponder settings here. So you've already done that over here in the Settings tab under Call to Action and Forms. And here you had in your form code. Okay, so back here on the mobile version, we've just gone through the full Enter tab. So now I'm just going to enter in some information and we'll move on to the Share tab. Alright, so after they enter in their name and email and click the Enter button, they're taken over to the Share tab. So just to walk you through the Share tab here, once again, I can change the title. This time I kept it the same. The subtitle can also change. This time I'm talking about sharing the coupon. I have a new image here that you will need to keep the dimensions of 800 by 450. So this is again just telling a different story here, telling to share the coupon. If I scroll down here, there's a little text, and then there's a share button. And if I click on the share button, I'll get to a screen here where I can share it either on Facebook, Twitter, or email. And there's also a More button, and this More button is can link to any page that you'd like. Okay, so if I click on My More, just take me to a page I chose, just a random pizza page. Now this is going to take you over to a new page, so I can always close it and get back to my promotion page. Alright, let's go check out the settings. So over here on the share settings, once again, title, subtitle, image. Now down here there's going to be a text that you can put. And then we're going to have the More button. And the More button, here's where I linked it out to that external pizza page. This can be any external website here. And that's basically it, guys. Those are the full settings for the mobile web app. See you in the next video.